Let me tell you the story of how I came up with this openable watch charm. A few weeks back, I lost the silicone loop of my favorite fitness watch and I started using the rubber band as a jugaad. I did not feel like throwing this strap away and buying another one. And that's when I thought, like me, there will be more people who wish to live a sustainable life, so why not solve for it? And that became my problem statement. I also wanted to make this customizable. I went to the design table, did a few trials with my innovative artisan. His name is Anand. We have used the technique of riveting and have riveted two parts in such a manner that it opens and closes. Also, to hide the rivet, we added a little flower. Isn't that lovely? I have etched a word that I relate myself with, Musafir. You can get etched whatever you relate to. Let's make this planet a better place. Next time you lose a loop, you know you need not throw the old strap in the dustbin. Someone has solved for it.